bound Shugden to the oath of protecting Dharma. However, neither Shugden nor other worldly spirits were depended on during prayer meetings at Sakya. The statue of Shugden was in some shrine rooms, but in the lowest category in the pantheon. No Sakya follower has ever taken life-pledging empowerment through the medium of Shugden. In fact, no Sakya Lama even seems to believe that Shugden holds the life-pledging empowerment. Later, Shugden worship decreased greatly among the Sakya, mainly due to the efforts of my root guru, Ngor Khangsar Khenchen Dhogyal, a leading light among the later Sakya Lamas. Rinpoche was extremely unhappy with Shugden and advised on the demerits of Shugden practice. But he didn't seem to have destroyed Shugden statues or shrines. A disciple of Rinpoche, Ngawang Yönten Gyatso, took strong action, ousting Shugden statues from monasteries and come and destroying them. Then there was Khenze Dorje Chang Chogyulotu, who was also very unhappy with Shugden practice. Although he didn't destroy statues, he performed rituals to banish Shugden. Since 3 leading pre-invasion Sakya Lamas were against Shugden, this practice declined greatly among Sakya followers.